Good morning. Thanks for joining ScrapNFun with Beth. My name is Beth Graves, and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor and a Forever Ambassador. Today, I've got a sneak peek for Creative Memories. We have a new launch happening later this morning at 12 noon Central, so getting it in just under the wire. But a little foreshadowing with what might be in this launch, I have a couple of jokes to get us started. So, these are birthday jokes. What does that tell you? All right. What did the corn say when his friend wished him a happy birthday? Aw, shucks. And if you live in Iowa, like me, you know about corn and shucking. One more. Why didn't the teddy bear have any birthday cake? He was already stuffed. Wah, wah. All right. So, little foreshadowing. Yes, we have a birthday collection releasing. But before we get to that, we have a whole bunch of other goodness happening. So, let's run over to the webpage and take a look at what is coming at noon today. All right. So, you should be able to see my screen. And this is the launch page from Creative Memories. I will share that link on my ScrapNFun post. But we have bundles of joy coming. So we have the baby albums launching. Woohoo! So the next album kit in our album kit series is the Bundle of Joy. And it is the quick and easy way to make an album and have that beautiful product finished quickly. So the album Bundle of Joy album kit joins our On the Bright Side, Natural Beginnings, and Global Getaway. And you will still see some more yet this year. Watch for my video. I'm going to be doing a video actually tomorrow that talks a little bit more about the album kits and how we can use them. And they're so cool. I can't wait. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, so we have Album of Joy coming. 3 beautiful cover sets to choose from. The Spruce, the Almond Kiss, and a plain Pebble Gray. All come with top-loading sleeves, the 16 simple page kits, your stickers, your embellishments, tape runner, boxed in a beautiful box ready for you with a wonderful color guide that walks you through all of the pieces. So the album kit, again, awesome. So we've got that. But we also have the collection. So the Bundle of Joy collection is also launching today. And it coordinates with the album kit, but it's not exactly the same. And in the collection, we have a designer paper pack, a matte pack. We have baby boy stickers. Hold on, there's more. We also have Fast to Fab inspired paper, and I love this. Look at these colors. Oh, so fun. We have embellishments. And then we will have some baby girl stickers. There are also monthly title embellishments. So the collection is boy or girl, and the only thing that changes, it looks like, is the stickers. So everything else coordinates together and will work for either sex of baby. You have the same 3 cover sets available, but they have no pages in them. So you can use regular jeeping pages or your top-loading sleeves, or it can add and complement the album kit if you go that route. 2 new punches, the Bundle of Joy Border Maker cartridge. We've got a stork carrying the bag of the Bundle of Joy, and we have the little footprints punch. Some of you that have been around for a while might be thinking, we have footprints already. That's a BMC, so they're going to be a little bit smaller. So this is just a standalone punch, creating the set of footprints there for you. There is a Buy It All bundle with the Bundle of Joy collection, and you will save 10% ordering in the first 10 days, as well as receive a bonus printed project playbook that gives you additional ideas. And then, so we've got the Boy Buy It All bundle and the Girl Buy It All bundle. Here's the card stock Bundle of Joy colors, so canary, avocado, cornflower, beige, and caramel. And then you can see the different paper packs that will coordinate as well and complement that. All right, I'm not done. There is more. So I mentioned those birthday jokes. Look at this. We've got the birthday bash. We can celebrate every age with this fun collection. It's bold, it's joyful. It's got lots of fun. I'm sure Creative Memories will get this video figured out before launch time. But we've got paper, stickers, and mats, Get a closer look at them there. Look at those bright colors, celebration. Yeah, this is fun. More Fast to Fab inspired papers. We've got some embellishments and then a beautiful Caribbean cover set with candles on the front. But it's not it. There's more. 2 new tools for the birthday collection. The Party Balloons Border Punch. That's really fun. And then the Festive Burst Border Maker cartridge. And again, another really fun one that can be used, well, both of them can be used for a multitude of layouts. So lots of great tools to add to your collection. Another Buy It All bundle available with Birthday Bash. Again, first 10 days of the launch, 10% off, bonus project playbook, and you get it all in one quick order Buy It All bundle. Coordinating cardstock for the Birthday Bash, red, pumpkin, island waters, dark sea green, and eggplant, and more collections that you can use to coordinate. But believe it or not, I'm still not done. There is still more, you guys. We have a sneak peek at the collection for Diploma Days. So we're launching the next graduation. I guess it is getting to be that time. We're having to think about it, aren't we? So this is a little bit smaller collection, and what we have involved in it is designer paper, foiled embellishments, and a new black mica cover with the tassel down the side. Beautiful. You've got your, and then, oh, we have 2 paper packs. So it looks like we also have a tonal paper pack. So we've got our designer and then a tonal, stickers, and then there's a decorative bundle, which gives you both paper packs, the stickers, and the embellishments, just no tools. So that would be available too. And then just a couple more things. Our next collection of limited edition 8x8 album covers are coming out. Look at these. These are beautiful. In the grape, we have the starry blooms. And in the poppy blue, we have weathered rings. And then in garden green shimmer and orange sorbet shimmer, just plain covers. So all 4 of these will be available until May 1st. And then album pages and protectors and top loading sleeves for 8x8. All those are available all the time, but you can, and then a limited number of colors of albums are available as well for 8x8. So these are available for the next 2 months, and they're beautiful. So it's a great addition to your collection. We also have the Birthday Bash card kit. This looks to be a 12-pack of cards with funnily decorated envelopes. We have a new color in our scrap journal for ebony as an album cover. And then we have the new silicone tool holder in the new Creative Memory Blue. So this is available. Again, on my ScrapNFun post, I will put the link to the launch page with all the details, because that is a lot of stuff, as well as to download the flyer so you can see pricing and information. So wow, we've got a lot of fun and goodness coming, a lot of bundles of joy, if you will. So if you have any questions, please reach out to your advisor, and if you don't have one, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you. Check out my ScrapNFun.com page for more information, and enjoy. Happy shopping. Have a great day. Thanks so much.